my name is Bob Bricks, and in this video we're going to be looking at 3 very common Webigami calculation errors. Here I am on an invoice approval, and it looks like I have a calculation already up on the screen. Number 1, the most popular type of calculation error is just a typo. In this case, it looks like it says illegal variable name /IFF. Well, obviously, there must be some place where it should say /IF at the end of an if statement, but there's an extra F. So let's go ahead and take a look at the calculation and correct it. I'm going to go to Cell Calculations. There's my code that I have here. By the way, this code is just some code to take the subject and automatically set it so that you don't have to manually enter the subject on the screen. That's what this thing does. The first line, it says my subject equals undefined subject. So if I can't generate the subject from other information on the sheet, it'll just use the subject undefined subject. Then it looks like I'm trying to calculate the value in a summary cell, BG. BG would be a column. Let's see, if I want to take a look at the cells, there's column BG, and I want to get this value 950.50. Try to get a summary cell. Then it says if AI, that's this supplier cell, if it's not empty, and if there's a number in X, which is this value here, then I'm going to change the format of X to 2 decimal places, and then I'm going to define the subject as this ABC drinks plus a dash plus the value of this number, so that'll kind of give me my subject. Oh, there's my /if with an extra F, so let me go and correct that typo. So I'm going to take off the if, hit done. Oh, number 2, the second most common error. It looks like my function is called with 2 arguments. This function called summary is called with 2 arguments, but it should only have 1 argument. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix that. So I'm going to go ahead, click the cell, go back into the cell calculations. Let's look at the function summary. It says it should only have 1. Oh yeah, I don't know what kind of silly thing was done here. It looks like I put in the value total instead of just the value of the cell. So let me go ahead here and take that out. Hit done. Corrected the mistake. Oh, looks like our 3rd most common error has come up. Looks like we don't know about this function format number. Well, that's a very common mistake. It's just to basically use the wrong name of the function. I think the correct name for formatting a number is actually not format number, but just format. So let's go ahead and make that correction. Go back into cell calculations. There's that function format number. It really should just be format. And by the way, if you're really unsure about that, there's a link over here called Function Help that can bring you into the little library of all the different function names that you have and that are available to you. Anyway, I fixed that, the name of that function. I'm going to click Done. And there it is, a calculation pop-up, which is called a console, by the way. It didn't come up, so now it's running, and it looks like it even put in here ABC drinks dash and 950.50. So there it is. We fixed our 3 common Webigami calculation errors. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave us a comment below or send us a message on our customer support line. We're here to make your operations great.